In this video, we will discuss and walk through the steps needed to verify that your AAON Multi-Trans Smart Ecosystem, or AMTSE, is programmed through AAON's Prism software. These steps will also show how you can program your AMTSE if programming needs to be updated. To begin, make sure to obtain your AMTSE's parameter configuration sheet listed by the AAON DSO number. To obtain this information, please call Paragon Controls at 707-579-1424 to get a copy of your AAON DSO parameter configuration sheet. Please have your DSO number and job name ready. The AMTSE may have been ordered to measure one system only, such as outside air, measure two systems, such as supply fans and outside air, or even supply fans and return fans, or measure three systems, such as supply fans, exhaust fans, and outside air. For the purposes of this video, we will be setting up a three-system configuration. Values in the parameter configuration sheets will vary depending on the RTU-specific outside air intake opening, fan sizes, and flow rates. Please note that outside air will always be configured as the last system measured. In the Prism2 software, navigate to and select the Details Viewer icon. Then select Set Points from the top menu options, and in the drop-down menu, select Open Set Points. Select the Configuration button at the bottom of the screen. Check the boxes under the Airflow Station section that match the systems listed under the flow measurements in the AMTSE parameter configuration sheet. Then check the box under the Airflow Station Model section for the Paragon MTSE sensor. Open the Paragon Setpoint page by double-clicking on the text Airflow Station Model, and then clicking the Paragon MTSE button in the bottom far right corner of the lower ribbon options. You should see a Program MTSE option. If not, go back to the Configuration 1 and re-click on the text Airflow Station Model. On the Paragon Setpoints page, under the Flow Measurements header, select the applicable checkboxes that match the AMTSE parameter configuration sheet for the flow measurement selection on your AMTSE parameter configuration sheet. Please note you must press the Enter button after inputting data into each field in Prism2. Under General Setup, enter 1 in the factory configured field and enter the value shown on the AMTSE parameter configuration sheet in the elevation field. Make sure to press the Enter button after inputting or changing the data. Under System 1, System 2, and System 3, you will enter sensor quantity, area factor, piezometer coefficient, operating range, and temperature input type based on the data shown on your AMTSE parameter configuration sheet. Now select the Program MTSE button. Prism will notify you that programming is complete, but the AMTSE will perform a power cycle on its own. Do not perform a manual power cycle of the AMTSE. Please note it may take up to 60 seconds to program the values entered. Please do not enter or touch any of the buttons on the right side of the screen, such as Update MTSE. Return to the Details Viewer page and ensure flow values in the airflow status match the values as shown on your AMTSE display. If these values do not match, please see the AMTSE VCCX2 Prism2 Connection Troubleshooting Guide found at www.paragoncontrols.com/AAON, or call our tech support team for additional assistance at 707-579-1424. Paragon Controls, the sensible solution.